You are looking at Julien's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Two different ways, two different pronunciations, correct pronunciations. Hover is how it's said in British English. Hover, okay, so no, not hover, 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 hover. Now in American English, rather similarly, but with a different R sound. Hover, okay, hover is how the Americans say it, or hover in British English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.